I'm actually still in EURUSD. I have a sell stop placed. I might actually close this because it is 435. We're getting really, really close to the turnover, and I don't want to be caught in wild spreads and all this other stuff. Especially down there on a lower time frame, price could spike up. It could do all sorts of stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I'm in both EURUSD on this as well as EURUSD on my actual main account. I have a sell stop on both of those. Main account, I'm in CAD JPY and Euro AUD. CAD JPY, I've been in this for quite some time now, probably since last week, I want to say. Yeah, Thursday of last week, and it's just been going up. What do we have? Well, we just have a nice little area where prices bounced away from, and was looking for just a nice little trade, and just waiting for it to at least come back up to the highs. We'll see. It could go up a whole lot further. I'm not sure if I'll hold it that long. It's already been going sideways I guess it hasn't been going sideways on the day. When you get down to like the 4 hour, though, it has been going sideways, but it's been channeling up a little bit. We're hitting some sort of resistance there. If we can pop above it, that would be great. And then we'll continue going all the way until, I don't know. Will we get a new high?